Welcome back, traveling friends. Get ready to dive into the vibrant heart of Asia today to discover one of our favorite destinations, Hong Kong, a bustling metropolis where East meets West. With its towering skyline, lush mountains, and rich cultural tapestry, Hong Kong offers a unique blend of experiences. Let's uncover our top 11 must-see attractions and travel tips for this dynamic city. Number 1. The Peak. Let's begin our adventure at Victoria Peak, Hong Kong's highest point, offering stunning views of its skyline and harbors against a backdrop of mountains. You can reach the peak by the iconic Peak Tram, a historic funicular that offers scenic views during its 7-minute journey from Central. Open since 1888, it's a must-visit for a unique city perspective and colonial heritage glimpse. Explore various viewpoints like Sky Terrace 428 and Peak Tower for panoramic views, both paid, or enjoy free views from Lions Pavilion and Lugard Road Lookout. Peak Galleria also offers free views, shopping, and dining. Number 2. Temples. Hong Kong is home to several iconic temples, each offering a unique insight into the city's cultural and spiritual heritage. Here are some of the most notable ones that you can visit during your trip. Number 1. The Man Mo Temple. Visit Man Mo Temple on Hollywood Road, dedicated to the gods of literature and war, dating back to the 1840s, for a serene retreat filled with incense and historic artifacts. Number 2. The Wong Tai Sin Temple. Wong Tai Sin Temple, known for fortune-telling and dedicated to a healing deity, is a vibrant spot in Wong Tai Sin District, attracting those seeking guidance. Number 3. Po Lin Monastery. Po Lin Monastery on Lantau Island, a key Buddhist site, is famed for the Tian Tan Buddha, a 34-meter bronze statue attracting global visitors. Founded in 1906, its traditional Chinese architecture and serene gardens offer a peaceful escape, complete with a recommended vegetarian restaurant. Access it via a 25-minute Ngong-Ping, 360 cable car ride from Tung Chung for stunning views, or opt for a hike to immerse in the island's natural beauty. Number 4. Chi Lin Nunnery and Nan Lian Garden. This Buddhist nunnery in Diamond Hill is a stunning example of Tang Dynasty architecture. It is made entirely of wood, without the use of any nails, and is set within the beautifully landscaped Nan Lian Garden. The complex is a tranquil oasis in the city, showcasing traditional Chinese gardening and architectural techniques. Number 5. The Tin Hau Temples. Dedicated to Tin Hau, the goddess of the sea, these temples are scattered across Hong Kong, reflecting the city's strong maritime heritage. The Tin Hau Temple in Yau Ma Tei is particularly famous, known for its annual festival and as a gathering place for the local community. Number 6. The Tiz Shan Monastery. This relatively new monastery, situated in the Tai Po district in the New Territories, is famous for the Guanyin statue, a striking representation of the Goddess of Mercy, standing majestically at approximately 76 meters tall, nestled against a backdrop of mountains and overlooking the Tolo Harbor. The location was deliberately chosen for its tranquil and picturesque setting, away from the bustling city life, offering visitors a serene and spiritual sanctuary amidst natural beauty. The monastery spans over 500,000 square feet and is surrounded by lush greenery and landscaped gardens, creating a peaceful retreat for meditation, reflection, and learning about Buddhism. Last but definitely not least, our personal favorite, number 7, the 10,000 Buddhas Monastery, also known as Manfat Si. This is a renowned Buddhist temple located in Sha Tin. Despite its name, it is not an actual monastery, as there are no resident monks. The site is famous for its over 13,000 Buddha statues lining the path to the temple, each with a unique expression and pose. The climb to the monastery involves a steep ascent of approximately 430 steps, rewarding visitors with panoramic views of the city, exquisite pavilions, and a main hall featuring a golden Buddha statue. 3. Victoria Harbour. Victoria Harbour is a prime spot for stunning views of Hong Kong's skyline. Enjoy the scenery from skyscraper restaurants, Tsim Sha Tsui Promenade, or a star ferry ride. Other ways to enjoy the views of the harbor are from a junk boat like Aqua Luna, that offers a serene traditional view of Hong Kong's skyline, embodying the city's maritime heritage, or conversely, from the Hong Kong Observation Wheel, that provides an elevated modern perspective with 360-degree views of the urban landscape and bustling harbor. Whatever you choose, make sure not to miss the Symphony of Lights at 8 p.m. nightly, a light and sound show illuminating over 40 buildings, showcasing Hong Kong's vibrancy. 4. Street markets. Hong Kong's street markets are vibrant, bustling hubs of activity that offer a glimpse into the city's rich cultural tapestry and provide an authentic shopping experience. These markets are scattered across various districts, each with its unique charm and specialty. Here's an overview of some of the most famous street markets in Hong Kong. Number 1. Temple Street Night Market in Kowloon. This is one of the most famous night markets, known for its rows of stalls selling an array of goods such as electronics, watches, antiques, and clothes. Alongside its street food stalls, fortune tellers, and sometimes impromptu Chinese opera performances. Number 2, the Ladies Market, situated on Tung Choi Street in Mongkok. This market specializes in women's clothing, accessories, cosmetics, and souvenirs. Other smaller markets that are worth visiting are the Jade Market in Yau Ma Tei, Stanley Market on Hong Kong Island, Cat Street Market, the Goldfish Market at Tung Choi Street North, and the Flower Market in Mongkok. 5. Hong Kong's islands. Hong Kong is surrounded by no fewer than 263 beautiful islands, each offering unique attractions, serene landscapes, and a chance to escape the bustling city life. Here are some must-visit islands around Hong Kong. Lantau Island. This is the largest island in Hong Kong and home to the famous Big Buddha and Po Lin Monastery. You can also visit Taio, a traditional fishing village on Lantau Island that's renowned for its stilt houses, vibrant seafood market, and the rare chance to see pink dolphins in their natural habitat. Or indulge in the island's beautiful beaches, explore scenic hiking trails, or spend an adventurous day at Disneyland in Penny's Bay. You can reach Lantau Island by all forms of public transportation and taxi. Chung Chau Island. This small island is famous for its annual Bun Festival, beautiful beaches, seafood restaurants, and hiking paths. You can reach the island by ferry from Central Pier. Lama Island. Known for its laid-back atmosphere, seafood dining, and hiking opportunities, Lama Island offers a contrast to Hong Kong's urbanity. Highlights include Hung Xingye Beach and the Lama Winds Power Station. Ferries to Lama Island depart from Central Pier to Yongshui Wan and Sok Kwu Wan. Peng Chau Island. This small island near Lantau offers a quiet escape with fewer tourists. Attractions include Finger Hill with panoramic views, traditional temples, and quiet beaches. Peng Chau can also be reached by ferry from Central Pier. Hong Kong's Geopark Islands, like Tung Ping Chau and Sai Kung Islands, are perfect for nature enthusiasts. These islands offer stunning natural landscapes, unique rock formations, and clear waters. Tung Ping Chau has distinctive geological features, while the Sai Kung Islands like Sharp Island and Kyu Tsui Chau offer beautiful beaches and hiking trails. Access to these islands is usually by public ferry from various piers or by joining a guided tour. 6. Nature and hiking. Hong Kong's natural landscape offers a refreshing contrast to its urban bustle, which makes it a fantastic destination for hiking and nature enthusiasts. A few of the most famous hiking trails are the Dragon's Back, which is renowned for its breathtaking views of the South China Sea. This trail is easily accessible and perfect for a day hike. The McLeho's Trail that spans across several country parks and is about 100 kilometers long, showcases Hong Kong's diverse landscapes, from beaches to mountains. The Lantau Trail, a challenging route that leads to the majestic Lantau Peak, offering stunning sunrise views and a visit to the famous Tiantan Buddha. Lastly, the Lion Rock Hike, which is known for its iconic view of the Kowloon Peninsula and Hong Kong Island. This challenging hike offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban skyline. These trails not only provide a chance to explore Hong Kong's diverse natural beauty, but also offer escapes into tranquility and cultural insights with visits to traditional villages and temples. Whether you're seeking adventure or a peaceful retreat, Hong Kong's parks and trails deliver memorable experiences beyond the city's skyscrapers. 7. Beaches. Hong Kong offers a surprising variety of beautiful beaches, ranging from popular and easily accessible to more secluded spots. Hong Kong's outlying islands and coastline provide numerous opportunities for beach lovers. Here are some of the most notable beaches. 1. Repulse Bay Beach. Located on the south side of Hong Kong Island, Repulse Bay is one of the most famous and easily accessible beaches, known for its clean water, fine sand, and family-friendly facilities. 2. Sheko Beach. Also on Hong Kong Island, Sheko is a favorite among locals for its laid-back atmosphere, picturesque village, and relatively unspoiled setting. It's great for surfing, beach volleyball, and barbecues. 3. Taung Juan or Big Wave Bay. Situated in the Sai Kung Peninsula, Taung Juan is a collection of 4 beaches known for their stunning natural beauty, clear waters, and big waves ideal for surfing. It's a bit more remote, requiring a hike or boat trip, but well worth the effort. 4. Clearwater Bay, First and Second Beach. Located in the New Territories, these 2 beaches are known for their clear water and scenic surroundings. They're popular with families and those looking for a more relaxed beach experience. 5. Changsha Beach. Located on Lantau Island, Changsha is one of Hong Kong's longest beaches. The upper and lower sections offer spacious sandy areas and are surrounded by natural beauty. The beach is also near some excellent beachside dining options. 6. Silvermine Bay Beach. Found in Mui Wo on Lantau Island, this beach offers a more tranquil setting. It's accessible by ferry from Central, making it a convenient escape from the city. 7. Turtle Cove Beach, a hidden gem on the south side of Hong Kong Island near Tai Tam Reservoir. It's smaller and more secluded, accessible by a steep set of stairs, and is a peaceful spot for those looking to avoid the crowds. These beaches offer a mix of relaxation, water sports, and natural beauty, making them perfect for day trips or longer stays. 8. Parks. Hong Kong is often celebrated for its dazzling skyline and vibrant urban life, but the city also boasts an impressive array of parks that offer residents and visitors a tranquil escape from the bustling city streets. Here's a selection of our favorite city parks to visit. Hong Kong Park. This 8-hectare oasis in Central blends nature with modern amenities. It features sports courts, a playground, the Flagstaff House Museum of Teaware, water elements, and a lake with ducks and fish. The 3,000 square meters big Edward Youde Aviary, one of the world's largest outdoor covered aviaries, houses over 600 birds from more than 70 Southeast Asian species in a rainforest-like environment with a raised walkway for close observation. Admission to the park and aviary is free, offering a tranquil escape amidst urban surroundings. Kowloon Park. This park in Tsim Sha Tsui offers a tranquil 13-hectare space with a Chinese garden, sculpture garden, and a bird lake with over 200 birds across 18 species, including flamingos. It features recreational amenities like a swimming complex, sports courts, and playgrounds. Kowloon Walled City Park. This park transformed a once densely populated area into a serene space with Chinese gardens, historical remains, and water features. It showcases the area's history with parts of the old city wall, ponds, and streams, providing a peaceful urban retreat. Hong Kong Wetland Park. Hong Kong Wetland Park is a 61-hectare wildlife reserve focusing on conservation and home to diverse species, including 235 types of birds, amphibians, reptiles, 150 butterfly varieties, and mammals. It features recreated habitats and a notable resident, Pui Pui the crocodile, in a spacious area with a pool. Sha Tin Central Park. Sha Tin Central Park, located by the Xingmen River, has 6 themed gardens and over 110,000 plants from 400 species. It features a waterfall, 2 bridges, and banyan trees. The South Garden is great for photography, and a birds conservation area supports diverse bird species. Tai Po Waterfront Park. This is a 22-hectare green park in the New Territories that features a 1.2-kilometer promenade, gardens, an amphitheater, and an observation tower with telescopes for city views. It offers a cycling path by Tolo Harbor and a jogging trail with exercise stations. Kowloon Reservoir. Located in Kam Shan Country Park, this reservoir serves as a key water source and offers scenic picnic spots. Visitors can enjoy the serene landscape and observe the resident macaque monkeys, combining recreation with wildlife observation. 9. Nightlife. Hong Kong boasts several iconic restaurants and bars renowned not only for their culinary delights, but also for their breathtaking views and remarkable heights, offering guests an unforgettable experience. Here are some standout examples. Ozone. Situated on the 118th floor of the famous ICC building, Ozone holds the title of the highest bar in the world, located 480 meters above ground. Part of the Ritz-Carlton, Ozone offers stunning panoramic views of the city and Victoria Harbour. Aqua. With its large windows offering sweeping views of Victoria Harbour and the Hong Kong skyline, Aqua serves Italian and Japanese fusion cuisine in a chic and stylish setting atop One Peking in Tsim Sha Tsui. Other bars and restaurants, known for their breathtaking panoramic views, are Sky, Hutong, Seva, Sugar, Wulumalu, Aqua Spirit, Le 188-degree Restaurant and Lounge, and Café 100 by the Ritz-Carlton. The restaurants and bars not only excel in culinary expertise, but also provide unique settings that elevate the dining experience, making them must-visit destinations for both the views and the food. Hong Kong's nightlife thrives in Wan Chai, Lan Kwai Fong, and Soho, offering bars, clubs, and international dining. Wan Chai combines eclectic experiences with historical charm. Lan Kwai Fong boasts a cosmopolitan party atmosphere, and Soho features trendy dining and cultural spots. Nearby, the mid-levels escalators, world's longest outdoor covered system, stretching over 800 meters and elevating over 135 meters, enhance the area's culinary scene, providing easy access to a variety of dining options from street food to upscale restaurants, catering to all tastes and budgets without navigating steep streets. 10. Tai Mai Tuk. In this beautiful region in the New Territories, you can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities, such as cycling along picturesque waterfront paths, kayaking in Plover Cove Reservoir, and hiking trails that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. At the Feng Yuan Butterfly Reserve, you can explore a protected habitat, home to over 200 species of butterflies, and engage in guided tours and educational workshops to learn about butterfly conservation. These destinations offer a perfect blend of adventure and ecological discovery for a perfect day out, away from the city. 11. Macau. Macau, a special administrative region of China near Hong Kong, is known as the Las Vegas of Asia for its casinos, and also features a UNESCO-listed historic center with Portuguese-Chinese architecture. Beyond gambling, it offers cultural sites like the ruins of St. Paul's and Ama Temple, plus a diverse culinary scene. It's accessible quickly by turbojet ferry or helicopter from Shangwan, attracting tourists with its blend of Eastern and Western influences. And there you have it, our top 11 things to see and do in Hong Kong, totaling 63 places. So you might consider extending your stay. Hong Kong holds a special place as one of our most beloved cities globally, and we trust you'll cherish it just as dearly. Now, before you embark on your journey, here are a few practical tips for traveling to Hong Kong. Currency. Hong Kong uses the Hong Kong dollar. ATMs are widely available, and most places accept credit cards. Language. While Cantonese is the primary language, English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. Transportation. The efficient MTR, mass transit railway system, makes getting around the city a breeze. Get yourself an octopus card for convenience. You can also use your octopus card when taking the bus and pay in shops. Public transportation is clean, efficient, and cheap. Taxis are very affordable as well and easy to flag down on any street. Getting from the airport on Lantau Island to Central is easy and is just a 24-minute train ride by Airport Express train. A taxi takes approximately 30 to 40 minutes, depending on traffic, and most hotels offer a free shuttle service from and to the airport as well. Safety. Hong Kong is generally safe for tourists, but it's always wise to stay aware of your surroundings and keep your belongings secure. Power. In Hong Kong, the electrical outlets are Type G, which is the British 3-pin rectangular plug system. The standard voltage is 220, and the standard frequency is 50 Hz. Time zone. Hong Kong is in the Hong Kong time zone, which is 8 hours ahead of Coordinated Universal Time, UTC +8. This time zone does not observe daylight saving time, meaning the time in Hong Kong remains consistent throughout the year, without any adjustments for summer or winter. And there you have it, your guide to making the most of your visit to Hong Kong. Be sure to subscribe for more travel insights and give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Until next time, happy travels!